friends, welcome back. I am A.S. Muchi, Assistant Professor of Agriculture and Entomology, KK College of Agriculture, Nasi. Today, we are going to learn about the reproductive system present in case of insect. Generally, insects are bisexual. Hence, there are the two different systems there. The first one is female reproductive system and second one is a male reproductive system. And these two systems have a different function. In this, this one is the first the female reproductive system of the cockroach. This is the diagrammatic representation of the female reproductive system of the cockroach. Generally, the female reproductive system of the cockroach or insect consists of a number of parts. In that, the first one is a ovaries. There are the two ovaries is there. Then second one is a lateral oviduct. Then median oviduct. Then female genital tract, also called as a in some of the insect bursa copulatrix or in some of the insect called as a vagina. Okay. Then let us see one by one. This is the two ovaries present in case of female reproductive system. These two ovary it is present in the hindgut either side of the alimentary canal of the insect, and this ovary it is connected to the dorsal side of the insect by means of a transculular duct, and each ovary is covered with a we can say that the trachea and the fat bodies for their protection and tracheas for their respiration. Okay, each ovaries consist of a ovary walls. These are the ovary walls. That ovary walls is also called as egg tubes. These are the 8 ovary walls or 8 egg tube is present, and the function of that the ovary wall or the egg tube is that production of eggs or production of ova. Okay, this is the main function of the ovaries, and these two ovaries it is that we can say that the distal end of the ovaries it is connected to each other and to form a lateral oviduct. It means that there are the two lateral oviduct. The one lateral oviduct it is emerged from the or we can say that the two lateral oviduct it is emerged from each ovary, and these two lateral oviduct it is again connected, or we can say that they connected to each other from a one median oviduct. And the function of this lateral oviduct and median oviduct is that this transportation of the eggs into the female genital tract. Okay, then next one is a you will see next one is a spermatheca, and the spermatheca consists of a spermatical glands, and the main function of the spermatical gland is that temporary storage of sperm, and another also is that the long we can say that their secretion responsible for the longevity of the sperm cells for a few hours or several hours. Then next one is a vagina or female genital tract. Here in some of the insect is also called as bursa copulatrix, and the bursa copulatrix have a two opening. The first opening called as a ovipore, also called as goniopore. That ovipore or goniopore helps to discharge their eggs from outside the body, and second one is a vulva. Vulva is helps for receiving the sperm or male spermatozoa during the population or the male female mating. Then next one is this is a collateral glands. This collateral glands is also called as accessory glands in case of cockroach or in case of any insect. These collateral glands in case of female reproductive system have a number of functions. The first function is that it also responsible for a formation of ootheca in case of cockroach and praying mantis. Ootheca is nothing but the egg masses. It contains 50 or 60 eggs, and the in case of praying mantis is also called as spermalin. It contains a few hundred of eggs. Then another next function of this accessory glands is that their secretion responsible for the poisonous secretion in case of hymenopteran insect. The hymenopteran insects such as bees, wasps, ants. Here in that insect, these are the social insect. The poisonous secretion is due to the responsible for that the accessory glands. And next function and last function of the accessory glands is that to just adhere the eggs on the substance. These are all about the female reproductive system of the insect. Also, the insect have a male reproductive system. This is the diagrammatic representation of the male reproductive system of the cockroach. The male reproductive system of the cockroach consists of two testes. These are the two testes. Then two vasa differentia. Then two vasa differentia connected to each other and to form a common ejaculatory duct. And this one is the accessory glands. It look like a mushroom glands or mushroom, hence called as a mushroom glands. And last one is a male ovulatory organ. Let us see one by one. These are the two testis, and each testis consists of a oval shaped structure. That oval shaped structure called as the follicles, and these follicles it is enveloped within the coat, that coat called as a scrotum, and each testis it is present in the hindgut above the alimentary canal, or above the, we can say that the hindgut. Okay, and each testis it is connected to the dorsal side of the insect body by means of a transverse duct. Okay, and this testis it is also covered with a trachea and fat bodies. Trachea for their respiration and fat bodies for their protection. Okay, the main function of the testis is that production of, we can say that the male spermatozoa in the male reproductive system. Okay, each follicle consists of a vasa efferentia. This vasa efferentia of each testis it is connected to each other form a vasa differentia. This is a duct-like structure called as a vasa differentia, and the main function of the vasa differentia is that just to receive the male spermatozoa through a this testis and transport into the ejaculatory duct. Okay, these two vasa differentia it become enlarged at the distal end, and this one of the swollen structure, that swollen structure or sac-like structure called as a seminal vesicle, and the main function of the seminal vesicle is that temporary storage of male spermatozoa. Then these two vasa differentia connected to each other form a single or median duct called as a ejaculatory duct, and this ejaculatory duct it ends into a finger-like projection. That finger-like projection is called as a male copulatory organ or edegus. It helps to transmit their male spermatozoa into the female genital tract at the time of copulation or male-female mating. And this is the last part of the male reproductive system. It's called as a accessory glands, or also called as a collateral glands. And in case of cockroach, they look like a mushroom, hence called as a mushroom glands. And the main function of this mushroom gland is that their secretion it is mixed with their male spermatozoa for, or which facilitate the easy transmission of their male spermatozoa into the female genital tract at the time of male-female mating or copulation. Okay, this is all about the male and female reproductive system of the cockroach or insect. Thank you.